Hello students, I am Dr. D.P. Singh. You are studying UPSC Mathematics. Today's topic is rectilinear motion, which is part of statistics and dynamics. Please students, subscribe my channel, like and share. Come to the point. The statement of rectilinear motion under inverse square law. A particle moves in a straight line, that is straight line. Straight line. Moves. Starts from point A towards fixed point O, and that is point A dash, and PV is portion after time t. Mu upon x square, that is x. Velocity dx upon dt 0, x equals to OA equals to A, that is fixed point. Particle, let particle starts from point A and PV its position after time t. Statement: particle moves in a straight line under the attraction towards a fixed point on the line, which is varies inversely as the square of the distance. Its attraction d2x upon dt square, that is attraction proportional to 1 upon OP square, or d2x upon dt square equals to minus mu upon x square. Negative sign shows distance decreasing, that is equation 1, multiplying by 2 dx upon dt and integrating dx upon dt whole square 2 mu upon x plus c1 at initially means A dx upon dt 0, x equals to A equals to A, 0 equals to 2 mu upon A plus c1, or c1 equals to minus 2 mu upon A. Putting the value of c1, dx upon dt whole square 2 mu upon x minus 2 mu upon A, or 2 mu upon A A minus x upon x dx upon dt, or minus 2 mu upon A root A minus x upon x, separating and integrating dt minus root A upon 2 mu integration root x upon A minus x dx plus c2, x equals to A cos square theta. Say differentiating dx equals to minus 2A cos theta sin theta d theta. T equals to minus root A upon 2 mu root A cos square theta A minus A cos square theta minus 2A sin theta cos theta d theta plus c2, और t इक्वल्स टू a root a upon 2 mu integration 2 cos square theta d theta plus c2 a root a upon 2 mu 2 cos square theta means 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta plus c2 t equals to root a cube upon 2 mu theta plus sin 2 theta upon 2 plus c2 a cube upon 2 mu theta plus sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta और sin theta cos theta plus c2 और रूट ए क्यूब अपॉन 2 mu थीटा प्लस cos theta इंटू रूट 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा sin theta मीन्स रूट 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा t इक्वल्स टू रूट ए क्यूब अपॉन 2 mu पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा cos इनवर्स रूट x अपॉन ए प्लस रूट x अपॉन ए रूट 1 माइनस x अपॉन ए एट ए x इक्वल्स टू a t इक्वल्स टू 0 देन c2 इक्वल्स टू 0 t इक्वल्स टू रूट ए क्यूब अपॉन 2 mu cos इनवर्स रूट x अपॉन ए प्लस x अपॉन ए रूट 1 माइनस x अपॉन ए that is a complete solution. Time from A to P, total time. Now time, the time t, after time t seconds, time A to P taken by the particle t equals to root a cube upon 2 mu into x cos inverse root x upon a plus root x upon a into root 1 minus x upon a. We explain again students, particle starts from point A towards fixed point O and P be the position of particle after time t is its attraction varies inversely the square of the distance minus mu upon x square. Negative sign shows distance decreasing, multiplying by 2 dx upon dt and integrating at a dx upon dt 0 x equals to a. We find out c1, putting the value of c1 and separating and integrating, let x equals to a cos square theta dx and solving we get this equation theta, putting the value of theta and cos theta and at initially at point A x equals to a t equals to 0 c2 equals to 0. That is a time formula of the particle at point P and time taken A to O, time taken A to O, A to O by the particle at O, x equals to 0, t equals to t1 in equation number 2. Putting the value of x and t in equation 2, then t1 equals to root a cube upon 2 mu cos inverse 0 plus 0, t1 equals to pi by 2 a cube upon 2 mu. T1 is the time of the particle from A to O, total time in complete oscillation, total time in or time in complete oscillation, time in complete oscillation, t equals to 4t1, t equals to 2 pi root a cube upon 2 mu Student, that is the complete time or time of complete oscillation, t equals 2 pi root a cube upon 2 mu.